Hi everyone, good morning. This is Daud Ali from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, your teacher for today's lesson. It's going to be a very important one, so I need you to pay attention and listen carefully because that is the key to make everything super easy. Ready, set, let's go. Tense. The word tense has been taken from the Latin word tempus, which means time. So it is quite clear that tense is related to time. But how? When we want to talk about what has happened when, that's when we use tense. Okay? So it is clear whether the action took place in the past, is taking place now in the present, or will take place in the future. I taught you last week, past. I am teaching you today, right now, present. I will teach you next week also, future. Okay? Past, present, future. I taught you last week, past. I am teaching you right now, today, present. I will teach you next week also, future. Okay? So there are three types of tenses, mainly past tense, present tense and future tense. We will talk about past tense, gone events, events that are done. Present tense, current events, and future tense, future events. You took admission in Shiv Jyoti school, gone events, done event. You are now studying in class 8, present event. You will be in class 9 next year, future event. I hope it is clear to you. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Yesterday, past tense. Today, present tense. Tomorrow, future tense. Okay? You can take out page number 32 of your book. We will now discuss present tense. Present tense can be divided into 4 categories: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. We will now get to know the uses of simple present. To express habitual actions. I teach, you study. I teach, you learn. Here the verb teach is in simple present form. The verb study is in simple present form. The verb learn is in simple present form. Okay? He drinks tea every morning. It's his habit that when he gets up, he drinks tea every morning. Here the verb drinks is in simple present form. Okay? So to express habitual actions, we use simple present tense. To express general truths, so when it comes to expressing general truths, we use simple present. The sun rises in the east. Here the verb rises is in simple present form. The sun rises in the east. It's a general truth. It's something everybody knows about. You know it, I know it, the world, everybody knows about it. That sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. Here we will always use simple present tense. Okay? Honey is sweet. Here the verb is in simple present form. Honey is sweet. What else is sweet? Sugar is sweet. So for general truths, we will use simple present. For proverbs, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. For proverbs, we will always use simple present tense. Always keep this in mind. Never forget this. This will help you score good marks in exams, and as well as it will help you to speak good English. Okay? Now we will talk about present continuous tense. I would again like to remind you, present tense can be divided into 4 categories: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. We have just now done our talk on simple present. We will be now talking about present continuous. Where to use present continuous? To express something that is going on at the time of speaking. So present continuous is used to express something which is going on at the time of speaking. Right now, I am teaching you. I am teaching. This is something which is going on at the time of speaking. I am right now teaching you. This action is right now going on. So here the verb teaching is in present continuous form. Remember, children, always keep this in mind, how to identify a present continuous form. you will see ing form attached with the word. Teach plus ing, teaching. Sing plus ing, singing, present continuous. Dance plus ing, dancing, present continuous. Write plus ing, writing, present continuous. Study plus ing, studying, present continuous. Okay, so it's very easy to identify the verbs that have present, that are in the form of present continuous. You will see ing form attached with them. Okay, teaching, singing, dancing, speaking, playing, writing, eating, cooking. Okay, for something that has already been arranged to take place in the future. It is interesting. We also use present continuous for the things which are already planned, which are arranged to take place in the future. Worry not, for I am still here. Think it like this. I have bought the tickets of cinema for tonight. I have arranged my tickets. So I am going to the cinema tonight. Here we will use present continuous. Here the verb going is in present continuous form. My uncle is arriving tomorrow. Okay, here is arriving. The verb it's in present continuous form. Arrive plus ing, arriving. Okay, my uncle is arriving tomorrow. That is present continuous. Present perfect tense. We will now talk about present perfect tense. To show completed activities in the immediate past, to denote a past action. We use present perfect tense to talk about the activities we have finished. We have finished in the past. I have finished my homework. It means I'm done with my homework. I've finished my homework. I've completed my homework. My homework is done. I don't have to do my homework anymore because it is now done. For such cases, we will use present perfect. All right? Okay. I have finished my homework. I have downloaded Google Meet to attend the live doubt class of my Shiv Jyoti school. Okay, so these are the examples of present perfect tense. The actions, the tasks that you are finished with, that's where you will use present perfect. We will now talk about present perfect continuous. You might be amazed here to see the word continuous here again. Yes, you should be, and it is interesting. It has an advantage. It is easy for you to learn. Why? Because it is something like present continuous tense only. The only difference when you are dealing with present perfect continuous tense, first we will talk about where do we use it. It is used to show the action that began in the past and is still going on, and it's still continuing up to the present time. Okay, so it is used to talk about the action that began in the past. I started teaching you 5 minutes ago. I am still teaching you, and I will continue to teach you for the next 5 to 10 minutes. That's where we will use present perfect continuous. Okay, I started teaching you 10 minutes ago. Activity, this action is still going on. I am still teaching you right now, and I will continue to teach you for the next 5 to 10 minutes. So here we will use present perfect continuous. I have been teaching you for almost 10 minutes now. Okay, I have been teaching you. So to use present continuous, you will use the ing forms with have been and has been. Depending, you will always use has been for singular and have been for plural, for I and you have been, and for plural have been, for singular has been, and for I and you have been. I have been teaching you for almost 10 minutes now. Okay, and you have been learning, you have been studying for almost 10 minutes now. All right, so that's how you will use. So children, we are going to do this exercise now. Exercise A, fill in the blanks with the simple present or the present continuous forms of verbs in brackets. One has been done for you. The girls seem happy and cheerful. They are laughing loudly. I dash scared of thunder. It dash really frightening tonight. Try to think of the answer. I am scared of thunder. It sounds really frightening tonight. Number 3, my friends dash in the library now. They dash the books neatly. The teacher dash their help. Can you think of the answer? My friends are working. Why we have written are here because plural. Wherever we see plural, we will use are. My friends are working. Let's say if we had my friend here, we would write my friend is working. But since we have friends plural here, we are going to say my friends are working in the library now. They are arranging the books neatly. The teacher appreciates their help. Okay? I hope you will be able to do this one on your own. All the best. Okay, exercise number C. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect or the present perfect continuous form of the verbs in brackets. One has been done for you. Shreya has written the composition. Mother dash the newspaper for the past half hour. We are going to use, it's a question of present perfect tense. Why? Because mother started doing something when? Half an hour ago, and she's still doing it because the end of the activity that she was doing is not mentioned here. So we will write mother has been reading the newspaper for the past half hour. Okay? Naveen has decided to set up his factory away from the village. I believe you will be able to do the rest of them on your own. Good luck, children. We'll now continue. Before we end this session, this is something which will help you learn, which will help you go through this in more depth of it. Simple present, present continuous. I speak, I am speaking. You speak, you are speaking. He speaks, he is speaking. We speak, we are speaking. They speak, they are speaking. So, verb plus ing form, present continuous. I have spoken, I have been speaking. You have spoken, you have been speaking. He has spoken, he has been speaking. We have spoken, we have been speaking. They have spoken, they have been speaking. You will know them when you will finish the exercise, and then when you will see them, you will really like them. Okay? So this is it for today. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you very soon again. Thank you.